No, no. I was
Someone
filming.
touched my headphones.
I have a question, bro. Is this place haunted?
Yeah.
Alright guys, today is 2025, August 30, 2025, and at the moment, I'm here in China. At pauwi ako ng Pilipinas. May layover kami sa Hong Kong, so magiging China, Hong Kong. Alright, so now here in Hong Kong for a layover. Pauwi ng Pilipinas. Pauwi na ako ng Pilipinas, and pag-uwi ng Pilipinas, mag-switch lang ng bag. And this time, we're going to Tokyo, Japan.
Paglapag ko ng Japan, nakita ko na agad yung unang problema ko. Namumblema ako kasi puro physical SIM. Kung hindi physical SIM, puro pocket wifi lang ang meron dito. At yung cellphone ko, walang lagayan ng physical SIM yung cellphone ko. Pang eSIM lang. eSIM lang ang pwede
Yan yung
dito.
problema natin ngayon. Walang lagayan ng SIM. So ngayon nagigets mo na kung bakit eSIM yung hinahanap ko.
Kaya pala.
Kaya, hindi siya katulad na sa'yo. Yung sa'yo kasi yan naman, di ba? Meron bilhin.
Meron ako eh.
Oh, tignan mo to bro. Oh, wala bro. Kabila. Wala rin.
Kaya nagtanong ako kay ChatGPT kung ano ba ang best eSIM in the world. At ito ang sabi niya.
Alright guys, so meron ako dito na search. So this is AirAllo and this is trusted by 20 million world travelers. Grabe. Supports over 200 countries. So wala na siyang basura like yung mga plastic na mga SIM card. Mas tipid kasi wala ng mga roaming fees. So hayaan mo na, kahit wala akong SIM tray, okay lang. At least di na ako pipila sa mahabang mga pila dyan. Hindi ko na kailangan ng kahit anong wifi. Dito na lang tayo sa AirAllo.
Pero bro, paano mag-download ito?
Step 1, syempre kailangan i-download mo muna. Pero sa inyo guys, ito QR code para mas mabilis. So kung gusto nyo, meron din link sa baba. Meron ako dyan discount. Meron kayo dyan makukuhang $3 or equivalent to 150 plus pesos para mas makatipid kayo. So, ayan yung QR para mas mabilis. Step 2, pipili ka dito kung anong bansa. At dito, sobrang daming bansa. And step 3, syempre, ang pipiliin natin ay Japan. Yan, pipili ka dito kung anong pinakamagandang offer. Since ito yung pinakamaganda, most popular, i-click mo yan. And then, purchase. Diba? Ang bilis lang, diba?
Please, ang dali lang talaga.
And step 4, install. Pero bago ka mag-install, kailangan connect ka muna sa Wi-Fi. So, since nasa airport tayo, ayan, nakakonect ako dito sa airport ng Narita. Ito yung email sa atin. Yan, instruction. Susundan lang natin to. And step 5, activate the eSIM. So, ganito lang siya kadali. So, add eSIM. Pwedeng QR code. Yan. And pwede mong enter details manually. Ito lagi kong ginagawa, guys, ha. Copy mo lang yan. And ipipaste mo dito. Then, activation code. Copy. And then, paste. Nalagay na natin lahat. And then, ayan na. Ayan na, guys. AirAllo is ready to activate. And ayan. Cellular setup complete. Diba? Ganun lang kadali.
Dali lang talaga.
So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys. Scan nyo lang tong QR code na to or may link sa baba para mas makatipid ka. AirAllo number 1. Guys, we're back!
Namiss ko talaga dito sa Japan. It's been more than a year since the last time I visited Tokyo. At grabe, punong-puno kami ng excitement dahil ang dami naming magagandang plano.
Ngayon, tingnan nyo guys, pupuntahan namin. Hindi ka nainitan?
Hindi.
Ang lupit mo.
First time ko dito sa Tokyo Skytree. And as a person who loves heights, napakaganda.
Sobrang taas, sobrang ganda. Wow, ano guys yung mga sugoy,
Nakakatuwang mapuntahan to dahil pangatlo to sa pinakamataas na tower sa buong mundo.
Wow, worth it. Worth it yung pera. Kung kayo mapupunta kayo dito sa Japan, try nyo tong Skytree. Grabe, sobrang worth it. Parang ibon, tignan nyo. Grabe, ang ganda ng Japan. Sobra. Oh my God. Alright guys, so kung akala nyo mataas na to is wala pa pala to. Kasi meron pang mas mataas dito at yun yung pinipilahan namin ngayon. Yun yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. This is so Alright guys, so kailangan namin magmadali. 4:30 na dito sa Japan. Wala pa kami. Check-in na natin. Nasaan ka na?
I'm in the Valorant right now.
Ano ka nilang hapon? Alang hapon ako. Sabi arigato. Siyempre pre, I wanna be hapon bro. Arigato! Magpapa-scam pa tayo dito bro.
The first thing is we don't have money para magpa-scam. We are broke.
No, listen.
Scam muna tayo.
We have Steve with us to counter the scam. Counter the
There
scam.
are no better scammers than me. I am the only better scammer in the world. Paparty tayo pre. Yan na yung ano mo. Pagka woo!
May Paris ba dito? Japan to pre. Sinigang. Sarap sa baw pre. Thai food. Sarap. Sarap din ng Thai food ah. Lugaw pre.
At maya-maya ay minute na namin ang aming bagong mga kasama.
Am I pointing the right way?
And to your left?
To my left. Is that
Yes, bro.
Alright, well, we'll head out that way.
No. Just kidding. I'm in the front. Bro, good to meet you, bro. I know we traveled.
Mga paranormal investigator sila galing Amerika at nandito kami para gumawa ng video.
It's my first time.
So we're gonna be having you do the SS method, which means you're gonna be listening in to this radio.
Have you ever seen anything
No.
unexplainable?
Not yet.
Not yet. I love your optimism.
I mean, if we are doing this, we need to see something. Yeah, dude.
Kumain na muna kami at pagkatapos ay umuwi na muna para magplano sa gagawin namin mamayang gabi.
So what will be the plan later? Okay, cemetery.
Yeah, which is a big cemetery. There's a lot of rumors of like hitchhiking spirits there, of a woman, like taxis will pick up a woman, she's not in the back seat anymore, you know. A lot of rumors of spirits traveling around, seeing children that are not there, like a lot of crazy things.
It's over here.
IRU? What is that?
Iru means I'm here.
That's so quick. It's not
They were trying to copy you.
Can you move away? Alright guys, so kababalik lang namin dito sa Airbnb. And grabe, sobrang nakakapagod na araw, sobrang nakaka-drain na journey. Sobrang intense ng mga nangyari. And yun, update guys sa camera ko. Still, ganun pa rin. Ayan, basag siya yung lens.
Nabasag yung lens ko. Abangan nyo na lang sa October 10 yung buong nangyari pero ang laking problema lang dahil alam kong lolobo dahil dito yung expense ko.
But yeah, still, God is good all the time. And favor, subscribe na lang kayo guys. That's a big help for me. And I think we need to get a rest. Ano pa tayong gagawin? So guys, good night. Good night guys. Hi.
At ngayong araw, may pupuntahan kaming theme park na sobrang layo.
150 kilometers.
Problema pa yun ah.
This is an abandoned western theme park from 1975 and our main plan is to explore it. We traveled 3 hours just to get into this theme park. And going to this place isn't that easy.
Guys, kita niyo yun? That was like, welcome to the amusement park.
We tried to explore the place. Andito pa ang lahat, ang dami pang gamit sa loob pero mukhang iba ang plano ng tadhana. At ang plano naming tahimik lang na exploration ay nauwi sa investigation.
I have a question, bro. Is this place haunted?
Yeah, people say it is.
Supposedly, I would love to explore this place. That's the only plan. I don't plan to investigate because you didn't mention that it's haunted.
What's happening?
But dude, so when we enter the gates, someone just threw a metal in us.
It's like a metal crank, and then we heard it like somewhere inside here, but then at the same time at the ticketing office right at the entrance, there was movements.
Dude, he's skeptic.
You don't see the people?
He's skeptic. He don't believe in ghosts.
No, but I did see someone in the ticketing office. Wala pre, eto sasabihin ko parang if you noticed, ako yung nagtanong kung pwede ba tayo umalis. Pre, feeling ko, he was draining on me.
Talaga? Kasi ganun yun eh. For them to communicate, kailangan nila ng mapagsasakan ng energy.
Oo. Kasi pre, parang there's always some person moving around, somebody like looking at me.
Totoo yun.
Kaya ko sinabi yan pre na I feel like somebody's watching. Kasi before parang inisip ko, paano mo masasabi na somebody's watching you? It really feels like someone's looking at you.
Yeah.
And really looking at you. Grabe nag-iba agad yung how I see these things. Because before I just used to appreciate your contents and all.
I mean, if we are doing this, we need to see something. Yeah, dude.
I'm Steve. I'm a skeptic. I don't believe in ghosts. Hopefully today they prove me wrong.
But being here, like real time, grabe man.
Umuwi na kami. 3 oras pabalik ang biyahe at pag-uwi ay diretso na kaming nagpahinga.
Mga robot. Walang daya to guys. From day 1, day 2, day 3.
Consistently, 3 days, having 3 hours sleep per day. Hindi, kaya tayo rin ganito kasi andyan yung adrenaline eh. Japan is giving this, content ka.
Kailangan, nandito kami. 4 hours away to sa Pilipinas eh. Ay, malayo-layo to guys.
Ay, partner, 4 hours away din tayo sa next destination. So, tara na sa Fuji.
Kawaguchi.
To be honest, oo, nakakapagod. Narinig nyo naman na 3 oras lang kada araw ang tulog namin. Pero hindi may tatangging napakasaya ng journey na to. At sa aming sunod na pupuntahan, ito ang regalo ko sa inyo. Regalo dahil sa matagal kong pagkawala.
So we're going to Mount Fuji. So when I say we're going to Mount Fuji, we're going back to the Suicide Forest.
This is Aokigahara Forest, or also known as the Sea of Trees. Maraming tao na ang nalagutan dito ng hininga. That's why this forest is considered as one of the most haunted forests in the world. We went very deep inside this forest. Almost 1 hour of walking to the point na kailangan na namin maglagay ng mga tali para hindi maligaw.
Guys, I'm off the trail. Just stay there. We need to go off trail. Police. Fuck. Is it getting close? Yeah. Shit.
It's getting closer to us, you guys. Had a great time with you guys. Seriously.
Kinaumagahan, umalis na sila Mina at Nick.
Aw, Steve. Huggy, huggy.
You made me believe.
That makes me happy. Success.
Dude, it's so nice meeting you.
Thank you for coming.
No, thank you for having us.
Take care.
Take care, bro.
Alright, dude. You guys have some.
Yeah.
Hey, many more in the future. So let's
Of course.
keep this like flow going. Let's prove the world.
Aye.
Spirits. Let's do this shit.
Bye, bro. Bye, Mina.
Bye-bye, Mina.
Habang kami naman ay nagpahinga muna sa bahay nila Steve. Ngayon namin naramdaman yung sobrang pagod.
Kami guys, kila Steve. Sakit ng katawan ko. Antok pa ako. Kulong-kulong kami sa tulog. Yo, Steve, tulog muna tayo. Bakit tayo bukas? Bakit tayo bukas, pre? Hindi talaga kaya, pre. Sobrang hirap. May regalo sa inyo. Dugot pa ako, sports.
Manalo.
Ayun guys. Ayun na parts, police car parts. Ito yung muntik na manghuli sa atin parts. O, nagpuntik nyo na parts yung mga 30 parts. Damn! Nissan Skyline to parts. GTR.
Sorry pero ito yung natak.
Para parts pag nilagay mo sa desk mo, maaalala mo yung ginawa natin.
Ito lalo na si Iwa.
Balik tayo. Hindi na talaga ako babalik dito sa lugar na to.
Quit na ako, I quit.
I quit. Ayun parts, tulog muna tayo. Ano, mag-convene ba tayo?
Huwag na lang mag-ano, huwag na lang magpupogi kung maayos ng alis.
Eh si Iwa nag-aya mag-convene.
Siri, I am coming closer to you. Talk again, talk.
Bago kami pumunta sa huling lugar naming i-explorein, nilaan muna namin tong araw na to para magpahinga. Sa aming pinuntahan ay kitang-kita yung view ng Mount Fuji. Sobrang daming mga puno at napaka-relaxing ng lugar.
Sarap lang, sobrang relaxing.
Ang sarap ang buhay! Woo! Iwa des!
So, sinigaw niya, Iwa des eh.
You know what this is now, my friend? Now this is living! Thank you, Lord!
Alright guys, time check. It's 3:08 AM and ngayon papunta kami. Babalikan namin yung theme park. And today we're gonna explore the theme park. So, let's go! Grabe, sobrang laki naman ng manika na yan.
Parang may dugo yung mata niyo.
Alright guys, so at the moment we're in the middle of nowhere exploring this abandoned theme park. Look! Pare, stop ka! I still have a signal. Ako din. And that is special thanks to Air Alo. Click this QR or the link in the description. Ayan, once again, shout out to Air Alo and thank you so much.
After filming, we head back to Tokyo to rest. At bigla akong nalungkot. Siguro dahil patapos na yung trip. They say people come and go.
Bye, Mina.
Bye-bye, Mina.
And these people came into my life years ago at dahil sa Japan trip na to, nagkaroon kami ng chance na makapag-travel at makilala pa ang isa't isa. And yes, they might go, but all I can say is we will go all together. The past few months have been like a rest year for me from filming, and I truly miss you guys. But now, I'm back. I'm grateful to be back. Tapos na ang pahinga. At tuloy na ulit tayo sa mga adventures na naghihintay sa atin sa harap. And once again, stay safe and always remember, be limitless.